Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. I wanted to make like a summary video for March 2022 and what I've been cross stitching in March of 2022. And I've had 3 projects that I've been working on. One of them I've completed and 2 are not completed yet. They are in progress. So I want to show you the first one. Just a minute. This is the mermaid that I've finished in March, and I'm not going to be talking about it a lot because I have a separate video about all of it where I talk about what I've been using, where I bought it. So if you're interested, please check out my channel. There's a video about this project. I want to focus my attention on 2 other projects. Let me just get one of them. I'll show you the preview. This is the Train to a Fairy Tale. This is by Adriana, and it really reminds me of like a Harry Potter a little bit. Really like it. So I'm gonna show you how much I've achieved because I'm not done with it. I'm not finished. Here it is. What I've been able to achieve is the smoke coming out of the train and the castle, this part. So I think I'm going to be continuing maybe later on. I don't know if I'm going to cross stitch this right away or just wait for something else. But I have to continue cross stitching the castle right here and the sun and up here. And if you see here, the bottle is outlined here, and you can see where it's going to finish. It's right about here. I like the fabric. It's not really stiff, but it's a little bit stiff, which makes the crosses very nice and even. And I like the let me show you the floss. The floss, it's 29 colors or shades of colors. And the thing is, this project is really hard because you have to change the floss very often because of the shading, the nice shading that's on the castle, for example. And here, everywhere, you have to change the floss all the time, and it takes a lot of time. But I'm pleased with it. I'm going to be continuing cross-stitching it, but I don't really know when. And I have another project that I want to show you. Just a second. I'll show you the preview first. This is I think this is a new kit from Dimensions. I haven't seen it before. I bought it on 123stitch.com. This is like a floral flamingo. And I'll show you how much I've achieved. I'm here right now, about here, this part I've achieved, I've cross-stitched. The background, the green here, this is half a cross stitch, and it's very easy and fast to cross stitch. It doesn't take a lot of time, but the drawback here is that the fabric is so hard. It's so stiff. It's very hard to get the needle through the fabric. I wish it was maybe a little bit softer, but the plus of the fabric is that the crosses and the half crosses, they get to be very neat and tight, neat and even. They almost all look the same. And here are the legs of the flamingo. This was more complicated. And the flowers are going to be more complicated because I have to change the fabric a lot, and I have to use blends and use back stitching. But the background is so easy and so nice to cross stitch. It's just a joy. I want to show you the floss. Now the floss is, just look at how long the floss is. I mean, it's just, I like that it's so long. You can just put it like in 2 like this and cross stitch. So that's a big plus, but there was a big minus to the floss as well, and I'll show you. this is the floss that is needed for the green background. And if you look here closely, I found 2 knots. Here's the first one. And here is the second one. And it's not a knot. It's like they tied together 2 strands of floss. I mean, what can I cross stitch with this low? I mean, this is like, I can't use this for anything, almost. So it was a big disappointment that I got these 2 knots, or I don't know what to call them. This was a disappointment because I'm getting worried that I might not get enough of this pale green mint color for all of the project. I'm just a bit worried about that. I don't know. So let me know in the comment section what you thought about my projects, which one you liked the most, and which one you are eager to see me complete. I hope you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, because there's lots more to come. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day and a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.